So Charlie, what are we opening?
Borderlands 3 Collector's Edition.
Awesome. Which both you and Jason have been waiting ages for.
And I remember searching it up. After we got a little bored with 2 for playing so long, we were wondering, oh, is 3 ever pretty paid? And it was nothing but speculation. Holy crap. That is
Look at Cole's face though.
funny that says BBI.
Yeah.
BB Industries.
Yeah, that is. Oh my goodness. There's so many.
Things.
Well, worth the price.
There's little figurines of everybody.
Oh my goodness. Wait, so is that?
No,
How much was this?
that's just the box of the collection.
$277.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a nice little.
Side shot.
Make some awesome mayhem. Is that what that said just now?
Yeah. So they don't
I mean,
kind
it
of
does
like
look like there's a
shrunk
board
or-
game in there. That-
Oh,
I guess it
slide
slides out.
Slide?
Alright, here
Okay. Go ahead.
Holy
Oh
shit.
my goodness.
That is sick.
It's a good thing I'm not monetized.
Yeah.
YouTube's gotten so bad lately.
I
Yeah.
noticed.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, let him see the front. Look.
Oh,
That
this
looks
is
badass.
I'll just be the tripod.
And then I'll take the seat.
Give your flesh, take your guns, find purpose, meet loot. A lot of this quotes from them.
Holy.
Is that plastic?
Yeah, that's not cardboard. That's an actual freaking box, dude.
There's your game. You're sitting there.
Dude,
Hey,
out
do
of
I
all
need to
the
get
collectors-
Charlie's face?
Yeah, you might want to do it from this way. Oh my god!
It's like Christmas morning.
Babe, you need to look at the back of this box!
Oh my god. Is it made like a.
It looks like a stereo or
Yeah, it looks
something.
like the ones Dad used to have in the 90s. All those amps.
This might sound
Here.
stupid.
It's
but
caught
then-
on the...
Can you
It's
actually
caught on
plug
the
it in? I think you can actually plug it into something.
That's what I was about to ask.
If that, there's no way.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can because there's an
Babe.
on-off button.
There's an on-off butt switch.
Huh.
Oh, but I don't know. No, it did actually work.
Aww.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's just that much
it's-
detail though.
It's aesthetic.
Dude, there's like a
That was a great bit of audio. I'm going to have to clip that for later to use in some other video. All 4 of you were just like, aw.
So these actually. So that doesn't actually lock anything. These are all just nice little aesthetics.
So it looks like it's a chest.
But you do release it.
It's a loot diamond chest.
Well, it's just like a chest in the game, though.
Oh my.
Oh.
Is that how it sits?
Show them as a vault symbol. Guessing this is gonna have a lot of the little things in it.
Oh dude.
I just realized how this opens.
What? Oh.
Is that the
Oh my
game right there?
fucking God. No, the game was in the box.
You are.
Oh, look.
You're.
Oh.
You are really lucky she doesn't have monetization.
That's fine.
So this is
I mean,
She
just.
can edit it out too.
It's just empty, I think.
yeah, the game.
So the game can
The
actually.
still, yeah.
It's in that cardboard box right there.
So I guess this is just you can place your game in here. This is what this is basically
Right.
saying.
That's a sleeve, I think.
But nice, I think it's got both of them. Very, very cocky little bastards, aren't they?
I kind of wish that they had put the game in there, and you open it up and you take it out, and you're like,
That would have been cool.
yeah, that would have been awesome. Yeah, because it.
What's
yeah.
next?
Oh yeah. Oh dang.
What is that?
Vault keys.
Vault keys.
Oh, that's actually.
I wish I didn't have to work tonight. I could go home and edit this and get it up. So with it coming out today, it would be one of the first unboxings up, unless
Could
people
you
already
call in?
have them up. Huh?
Did you call in?
No, because I have to call in tomorrow for Shannon's birthday.
Yeah, but at least you.
Or Mike's birthday.
Oh, man.
What the heck?
Vault keys. These are the different keys that open the vaults.
In the game. So
Because these don't look like any of the ones
Yes.
we've already opened before.
No. Maybe.
So it's like you're getting a preview.
Yes.
So we're getting
Avery.
a nice little.
We're doing the Borderlands 3 unboxing.
I wouldn't say too spoilery because we have no idea what they're opening. Maybe it looks like they're on different planets though.
You can
That
come
one looks
stand over
gnarly.
here.
Yeah, it does.
That one reminds me
Can I
kind
see the
of
front?
Yu-Gi-Oh-ish. Little not triforce,
What is
little pyramid.
Yeah. That just looks like a canister.
And that one's kind of archaic looking. Like it's got wood and stuff on it. Like might be an older vault. But really cool though.
You play the game sooner.
Yeah, but if you're gonna
And
unbox,
here's
you might as well
all
do
the-
a whole unboxing.
And here's all the figures that it came with.
Oh man, I can see my reflection in that. Point it upwards towards the ceiling. No, I meant flatten it a little bit towards
Yeah,
the ceiling.
didn't know if the glare was getting too much on there or not.
No, I can zoom in a little bit.
Ah, okay.
Unless you're gonna take him out.
On mine,
It is very glary.
we could edit it all together maybe.
Oh yeah.
If I open all these guys individually. So, this is the new sanctuary.
What happened to Sanctuary 2?
Shh, we don't speak of that.
That's what they say.
I
That's
don't
what
play,
the-
so I don't know.
That's
we
what they
don't
say
know
in the
either.
game.
Oh,
Yeah,
is it?
in there.
Yeah, they just say we
This
don't
is
speak of.
Sanctuary 3 1/200 scale
It's a
question mark
kit.
question mark. Like if you don't actually know if it's actually only 1/200, that's Gearbox play. It's made by Torg.
Oh, so it explodes?
Nice, nice. It explodes.
Sanctuary
Huh?
3 plastic model kit. So like is this low-key something I actually have to build because
Yeah.
I just bought
Yep.
it because I wanted it all.
See,
Yeah, and
you
you're
wanna-
not
you
a
have to
big
build it.
modeler. Have you ever even put a model together?
Yeah, he's got
Yeah.
a big, huge Lego.
I'm not talking about
Full-
Legos, I'm talking
Well,
about real
it
models.
depends on how model-ish this is. If this actually break apart, because it
Glue,
looks like this
paint.
might already be pre-painted. If it's pre-painted and it's just clipping it together, I'll be able to handle that. But
Yeah. It's a map. Of
nice little
the
map
entire-
thing. We can probably go ahead and open this guy. He's not going to be too hard to
We
pull.
can hang that up somewhere. Oh, that'd be so awesome to hang up.
Speaking of big it's in, we can do it on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, you look up and it's just there.
Made out of cloth.
Yeah, but we
Yeah,
have
that
to
just
spot-
throws me back to my first marriage in the 90s when people stuck stuff to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not nearly as big as I
it's
thought
like
it
a
was.
placemat. But that's cute.
Celestial Erida. Eden. Eden 6 is Swamp Ass Central. That's what they have it written on here.
Oh my goodness.
Bass Central.
Jacob's Club? Are we going to Jacob's planet?
Eden and
Iridian
Eden's-
glyphs are ciphers. Told you.
What's banned for life? Uh-oh. Banned for life.
Oh.
Oh look, there's Pandora.
Pandora, where? Right there? Oh.
And then
There's
look,
Eden,
and then-
Promethea,
they wrote Home Sweet Home there. Look, Pandora.
and then there's the moon. Elpis.
Uh,
There's Promethea up here too. Athenas. Oh, banned for life. Never go to there.
KLE4.
So we only going to like these 3 major planets, or are we actually going to some of these other little circles?
I imagine like these are the major exploratory areas, and these are like, I don't know, like quick bosses or something.
Well,
no,
evidently
this
that
is-
one.
This is so that's 1. two,
Evidently that
3,
star
4,
has noodles to die for.
And Eden
Yeah,
also
noodles
up
to
here
die for.
too. That's funny. I like all the little things they have like written on here.
They're supposed to be doing the internet today, but or the stands.
Well, yeah, that's where I found the first vault, Promethea.
Oh, is this Tannis's writing?
It could
Because
be.
there's blue writing and red writing, like somebody's talking to each other. Unless that's the twins.
Well, what
Does
is
someone
the?
have a black light?
No?
No.
Let's see.
Good
Now
thinking.
what it seems is ellipsis a lens or a conduit or both. So the moon. Oh, Oh, it's bouncing. Don't tell me. Okay, so there's like
You
a
know,
wormhole.
that's-
Don't tell me these are all connected. And they all like make some kind of thing.
What if all the vaults are like connected and they can?
Open like a wormhole to like a major vault or something? Oh my god.
Oh, okay, you're getting me more excited for the game.
Ooh, Torg. This is the last little guy to pull out. Torg's package delivery.
Oh, well, let's see what you got.
What does that say? 1 day inter-system guaranteed. Plastic rates and regularities made of black.
So like.
Sucks you guys can't play together right off the
I
bat.
haven't put it in there.
I mean, he is off tonight, but I know you're not going to want to spend your first night playing with Jason.
We had internet.
With work the way we're going.
Doesn't he have it on the Xbox, though?
But yeah.
Jason.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
don't
for
have.
the Xbox.
It's that cross-platform that at launch. They've been working on it, but it's
We're
not
trying to
there.
decide whether or not to get a PlayStation or a Wii with his next
This
finger
feels
hut.
a little guilty cutting this one open, but I can't get it open without it, so.
Maybe can you slide up underneath and not cut it in half?
Well, as long as you're careful along the line.
Ooh, that's a big smell.
Oh, I smell it from here. Holy smokes. Oh my.
No way. It's gonna be like all their portraits.
Oh my god, it is.
So, most likely, your character.
Most likely, yeah.
Then we got.
Flack. I don't know. I'm a toss up between the two.
So there's this thing on
That
Instagram,
might-
and it's a thing.
Tyler went away, but that might be Ty.
So there's this thing on Instagram, and it's just.
Oh, wow.
It's a constantly.
Here's
Deal.
Los.
Oh.
And then, of course, I'm biased, but you know, best for last for me because Siren.
Oh.
Mara.
I will be right back.
And then
No.
the twins,
The twins.
Eileen and Troy. They are painted very nicely. It
I'll
looks-
say
this
these are really
artwork is
done
good.
really well.
Nothing on the back, but sick. I might frame these, laminate them, take care of them somehow, put them up,
Right.
because I don't want them to get damaged. Good?
Yep.
Actually, I'm probably going to go ahead and do all these guys in one little go if you want to attempt that. Alright.
Oh, yep. That's hardcore. You probably need
Oh yeah.
Oh
that's-
my.
that's
modeling
hardcore.
glue, X-Acto knife.
Yeah. Yeah, it's saying X-Acto knife and pliers. It says no glue though,
Oh, okay.
so it might be snaps, but
Wow.
it is got a decent chunk of steps and pieces and holy crap.
Do you have to paint it yourself?
It's quite looking like it. Holy crap.
That or stickers.
I mean, they used to have those decals that you had to soak the little paper in water and then use tweezers to get the decal off back in the day.
Look at all that.
While you
Okay,
were
I can see
getting,
how it's all snaps, but
while you were busy getting high on the glue, is it next to you?
oh yeah, nice little, there's all the windows. Dude. Alright, so I would say, yeah, it's probably not gonna be insanely difficult, but it's gonna be a challenge. For me, I don't put a whole lot of these kind of things together. I'm not gonna squeeze that together because I don't know if I'll be able to get it back out, and there's probably more
Yeah,
pieces
it looks
there.
like if you wanted to look anything like the box, you're definitely going to need an airbrush or somebody else that knows how to
Paint.
be a model paint.
Nice little stand. Oh, there's some warning
Yep,
stickers
there's
and
those little
whatnot.
decals.
But that's definitely not the entire thing. It's got some pretty small, intricate little pieces in it too. That's gonna be a challenge, and probably for some days off in a row. All right. I'm excited about these. I mean, theoretically, I guess I could put the 4 Vault Hunters on front of the TV.
Or yeah, so as you can put the 4-volt hunters in front of the TV, and then as you meet people, you can put them on a stand. I don't know.
Or they look a lot greener in the camera for some reason.
I like how they're like almost rusted.
Mm-hmm.
It's really cool. Oh, they are all standing on a vault symbol. The children vault symbols, though, they're all like kind of, so those are like painted.
In camera, they look patinaed.
Ellie. But if there's somebody I have to take out first.
I thought you were gonna go for Luna.
I wanted to, but since this is 3,
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna
you
go
can
with-
third siren.
I'm gonna go with Mara.
For all you know, I mean, Amara could end up being your favorite siren. A siren.
Okay.
A siren.
Really nice, and it's pretty detailed for just kind of.
But I'm gonna have you look at all of them as what you were gonna do. Or did you just wanted to look at her up close?
Yeah, she's my character I'm gonna play, so I showed her specifically. Here's,
They are pretty cool though.
yeah. Of course, here's my main from 1.
Okay, so we're a little impatient. We're gonna go ahead and he wants to set them up.
Sexy as fuck, dude.
I'm pretty sure that half this house is just gonna become an homage to video games,
Yeah.
like a giant trophy.
You're gonna walk
room,
in
the
and
whole
every
lower
room's
floor.
a different video game.
Where's. I feel like.
Is there a rhyme or reason to the order?
I got the 4 Vault Hunters from this game, and then I just put Moxie and Lilith on the sides. And then, I guess Claptrap and Ellie, just because, they're there.
And then
And then, the 2 dickheads that are going to be in the game. They'll get the edge. Who knows if they're going to be dickheads like Jack and actually be semi-funny and likable, or if they're just going to be hated, who knows.
Alright, so finally a close-up look at the keychains. Do you even know yet if those are metal or plastic?
They might go with plastic. So which means they would probably get really dingy and dirty. This one
came out easily.
Yeah, let's actually get the metal thing out because I feel like I don't want to rip the chain off.
What is that supposed to be?
So these are vault keys.
Mm.
Opens the vault. Then typically monster comes out.
Yeah, that's how it's been so far.
Yeah.
Does that mean we're gonna fight like a giant alien monster kind of thing, like a Godzilla?
You'd think as much as I've watched you guys play Borderlands 1 and 2,
You know it.
I only half paid attention. I mean,
Yeah.
I know some of it. That's
Is that
cool.
one actually the same on both sides? Nope. This one looks very swampish. Oh, that's cool. There's red cracks in this one.
Yeah. That
Oh,
one
yep,
has
I see
like
that.
black cracks, and that one, I don't know.
And then this demented looking one over here.
So are all 4 of these vaults gonna have monsters in them?
It's definitely gonna be maybe kind of Bosch-ish.
Did we ever find the?
That's not a word.
Did we ever find the thing for my PlayStation so we could turn it on?
Okay, I'll
We
do
can
my.
So I wonder if the keys give a clue as to what type of.
Yeah.
Have they done that before?
No.
Not with this many. There's only been 2 keys in the game. They both been relatively shaped the same.
Yeah. Maybe because they were on Pandora.
Yeah, that's
So-
true. So they were the same planet.
So any vault keys on, say, what a planet that came from look like that one.